anywhere so say, Okumo, wonderful. Well, this is a demonstration school, primary and secondary school. You guys are looking great. You look so wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Your uniforms are very nice.
Thank you, sir.
And I hope you are learning very well.
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
Ono na aguko ofuma. Ono na aguko ofuma. That's wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I think, hello? Ndị nọ na-egwuli ebe na-akalịa. Ana nke a bụ kedu ife unu kwalịa akpọpụta to come and play. I'm just looking for the field. Kedu ebe fa na-agbazi bọọlụ? Ebe ọ dị? Ebe a ka ezi ka ego post. N'okwute ka m na-agba awụme ewere okwute kedu onye bụ ka ndị na-agba bọọlụ ebe a gezienụ ntị the principal and the head teacher. I think Nwafor Orizu, my only addiction to football. Nanya, if I'm in the Oboron Kikaka, or ball. I'm buying it and asking them, I know about ball and ball, so no, I have like it. Proper. No, they get it. You know, so leave with goal post.
Yes, His Excellency.
Yes.
Yes, Excellency.
Now, head teacher, now principal, I think one of the first things I get, I got shot and they got low. Come on, it's in your easy bed, and I'll wear no roof. It's in your bar, and I'll buy a needle. I can then there's a bed for that guy, ever go like that. Can I be goal post sooner? Okay, okay. They must find the space. I got my eye off my. I'm a river. You know, your mayor is here. Mayor of Anambra is local government. On her back. I want on her from on a GD. I'm a governor on her now, I got the measure of that the standard football league. And I get another.
Thank you, sir.
Kedonya with the captain. Kedonya captain score football on. Who know what captain? Only one with the captain. Never. Yeah. Kedo sports prefect. Kedonya sports prefect.
Yes, sir.
Sports prefect.
Kedonya sports prefect.
Okay.
Wonderful. Wow, sports prefect. Wow. Get a sports in Kenya, man. Basketball. For basketball pitch. Mba, unu ga-enwe basketball ebe a na-agụ na-atụ basketball. Ebe ọ bụ na sports prefect bụ basketball ka ọ na-atụ. Unu ga-enwe n'ebe a na-atụ basketball ebe a. Good. Unu na-ege ntị? If I can listen to me, oh my God. You know, only a healthy mind can learn properly. A healthy body. The mind is healthy. The body must be healthy for the mind to be healthy. And that's why I'm standing here with a lot of history. I mean, I know this place. It used to be a magnificent football pitch here. But you filled it with some buildings. But we need to recreate some place for the children to play. And therefore, I think one of the key things was to put, standard goalposts here and there. And then carve out somewhere there for the children to have their basketball. You cannot be competing with the those in the college. Secondary school, you should have your own basketball pitch here. We'll get those fixed here. Since you are, who are the ones playing football? The ball. But let me tell you, by Mayor, are you listening to me? Because with this one you are playing with the stones. Yeah, I don't know the kind of ball you are playing. What kind of football is that? You came on keepers. Okay. I think you are going to have proper goalposts. That's number one. That is going to, they are going to start constructing it. I think today is Tuesday. Yeah, from tomorrow, Mayor, they will start constructing the goalpost.
Thank you, sir.
And the goalpost they will start constructing, and then put the place, or locate the place, and put the stuff for the basketball. Isn't that? We will start constructing this from this week, and when it is all done, I want to see the video that it is all done now. And then by next week, I am saying next week so that we can go to the market and buy the proper football. You are going to get 5 footballs by next week. Football. Monkey post. Not monkey post. Not monkey post. Yes. No, you're going to get you equipped and get you the basics. I hear a few things that you need, but we're going to assist you in some other things. I wouldn't want to go very far. These 2 things, these basic facilities for the children to play will be, this should be provided immediately. Headmistress, principal, in addition to those, what we are going to do to help you as well, provide some of the other facilities, or help out with a few of the other ones. I think for each one of you, you will get 5 million. She will get 5 million. Are you listening? Who are those of you who are in SS3? SS3, are they here? Are you hearing me? Oh, yes. You know what we are going to do? I wanted to see those on SS3 here.
Okay, so now camera crew.
One single line in the SS3.
There can be two.
They can be two lines. So let's go back.
No. Hold on. We are arranging this. Can we go back so I'll be able to get them?
Go back, press, go back. SS3.
Go back. Go back. No, let's go back. So that I'll be able to get them.
SS3, line up. Like on it.
Move to the side. Sorry.
Now move more.
No. Go.
You are in SS3 too. Wonderful. So by next year you'll be flying to somewhere else. Now that I've visited you today, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Not Excellency here. Our solution here. That's why I mean, our solution is. And I solve problems.
Yes.
That's why we're here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for those of you who are here, I understand this is a college that is run by the College of Education. Secondary school run by the one here and one at Wike. And those of you that I am seeing here, how many SS3 are in this particular
students? We have about 100. We have about 100 students.
Okay. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
We will see what that comes down to. Those of you, I think you are blocking me. I just want to look at your faces. Okay. Today another SS3 when you finish. We're going to get all your details and your stuff. When it is time to pay, you don't get your Okay. When it is time to pay for your Wike, we will pay for your Wike. understand some of you have already paid.
Yes.
Some of you who have paid, you're going to get me all the full documentation of all of them, full, one by one, because for the Wike fee, we are going to give it to each of you. So those of you who have paid, you take back your money.